Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we'll check out this. This one here is top of the line here in Canada, GT trim level and white diamond with black roof option. So here on my YouTube channel, I just posted recently a quiz, and I asked people what color would you spend your money, money you would spend on which color if that would be your money. And most people said white diamond. I asked white to black, compared white to black, and most people said white diamond. So today we'll check out this white diamond a little bit closer. And like I said, this is fully loaded GT, and on top of it, it also has the black roof option. So this one here, we have not done the pre-delivery inspection yet, so I caught it right before we do it. There's few things how you can say that there's no pre-delivery inspection. One of them, these Mitsubishi central caps are missing, so that's what they put on you know, once they do the pre-delivery inspection. Also, we're gonna probably put some accessories on it to stand out a little bit more. Typically with white diamond black roof, we really like to put black side moldings and black hood emblem. Then that contrast white and black is really good. Now this one is a GT, so that's why I have all these corner effects are body color painted. On lower trim levels this would be black plastic, but on the GT you get that body color painted. And we can see we have parking sensors and front camera here as well, so that's all part of this fully loaded GT. And there's also some options in interior that are unique to GT trim levels, so we're definitely gonna check out those as well. Overall, I gotta say it's a very nice color combination. You have chrome right here, you have white color, you have this chrome like, you know, lines going across the grill, and this lower bumper part is silver, but everything sort of like, you know, contrasts and stands out just enough. So on some other colors it just contrasts too much, and sometimes say people, I don't like that it contrasts too much, I want to have it a little bit more sort of like, you know, one design that it's kind of like, you know, yes, it's standing out a little bit, but at the same time not too much. So I think white diamond offers you that, so where it stands out just enough but not too much. Nice 20-inch wheels. So these are two-tone wheels. The other option Mitsubishi has actually are on NOIR editions. We have one right here. This is a gas version, black wheels. So same wheel, it's just painted entirely instead of having this two-tone. So this is factory looks, this is also factory looks, just two different things. Very often people want to paint these black as well, so it's definitely doable. Sometimes we've done here for a client request, especially then if you maybe do like chrome delete afterwards or put black side moldings, also paint the wheels black. Definitely doable, it's possible, we've done it many times. Let's check out the black roof a little bit here. And again, the entire roof is painted black already from the factory, which a lot of people appreciated. In the past here, before they came out with these black roof options, here at Tri-City Mitsubishi, we started to do wraps on the roofs just to make them you know, stand out a little bit like that. And now that it's factory option, you know, a lot of people appreciate that it looks so good. And again, I like this roof rail, that it's a little bit different. So this is in this silver color, gives you again this bit of a contrast, but again not too much. Once we step away, we can see how actually it makes sense design wise. We have a little bit chrome line around the windows. This is silver, and you know, we have the two-tone wheels. It just makes sense, the whole design. There's nothing that kind of like you look at it, I wish designers would do something different. So very nice car. From the back we can see nice spoiler here. Again, this one is black roof, black plastic, so all blends in very nicely. The fumes are coming out because the vehicle is charging itself right now. You do have charge option on the PHEV. You can charge the vehicle battery, and that's what we do for deliveries. We want to make sure that you know, the batteries are as fully charged as possible. So I think this one here is pre-sold vehicle, so it's going to go out for a customer earlier today, I think. But we do have a lot of Mitsubishi's, a lot of Outlander, a lot of PHEVs, like lots of everything. If you want to come in, test drive something, you can definitely do so. Just find your perfect Mitsubishi. Okay, let's check out the interior, see why this is so special. This is how the key is looking. Very good looking key. like the fob. This Mitsubishi logo especially nice. Quite happy with that. So this one has keyless entry, so if your vehicle is locked and the keys in your pocket, you just press this button, lock and unlock, and that will do the job. You'll unlock the door. And as we can see, when we open the door, this one is the premium version, so the GT-P. So we have orange elements on the vehicle, and this one here on the door, same thing. We have orange stitching, this one here and this one here. So GT-P, so the premium, that's what it's going to give you, this bit of a unique interior, and also comes with massage seats, so you can activate them here with the button or on the through the screen as well. So yes, has massage seats. Very, very cool. I just wanted to show you in comparison how the black edition, the Noir interior would look. I don't have the keys of it, so I'm just gonna peek through the glass like this. See, it's kind of like the same seats and everything else, but instead of the orange stitching, you have black stitching. So, and this one has the orange one. So sometimes customers say the orange is a little bit just too much for them. Then there's absolutely other options how we can go about it. They do have on the PHEV specifically the Noir Edition as well, so you can have it fully black, graphite gray with a black roof, and then you have fully black interior. If you don't like this orange, there's a solution for that. A big deal for many customers is memory seats. So we have 2 for the driver and 2 for the passenger. You don't get that on gas version, so that's why PHEV again is just a different, better solution if you want something like that. Lumbar adjustment as well, so if you have a bad back or back problems, you'll appreciate that you can adjust the seat many different ways, and you'll find your perfect seating position. As you can see, seats are nice, cushiony, and again, I absolutely love this orange stitching. I really like the GT-P. Massage seats is definitely my favorite option. The other favorite option in the winter time, no doubt about it, is the heated steering wheel. We click the button. I'm not a big fan personally of heated seats. I don't care about them too much, but heated steering wheel, one of my all-time favorite options on any vehicle. And this Outlander PHEV has it heated all around. As we can see, we have a nice digital cluster here, and yes, we're low on fuel. We have not done our charge yet. We can see that the engine is charging the battery, but we can change the meter view. It's going to give us a little bit more detailed view. There we go. Now we can see what's happening. This is my favorite energy flow view. We can always see what engine's doing in comparison to battery. Where's the power going, how it's happening. Absolutely love it. So I think Mitsubishi has done a great job on designing this. And it's kind of like a bit of a ghost mode, so it's a see-through vehicle, but it looks really cool. I really like it. So all these warning lights and everything else, that's going to be cleared once they do the full pre-delivery inspection. So this one here, being the fully loaded version, has the My Pilot as well. So this button right here activates the My Pilot. I've done a very good video on explaining how My Pilot works. So if you want to, go to my channel, check out the content, or you can search for the specific content and you can see My Pilot video. You'll see exactly how it works. I showcased everything. You can have it look at there. Bose upgraded sound system, head-up display. We have the button right here that activates the head-up display, and you have a large section of head-up display covered right here. And if you're actually using on your drives together with TomTom navigation, that's built-in navigation for the Mitsubishi, then it'll show you the lanes where to turn, left, right. It picks up actually street names, street signs, speed signs. It's really incredible. I love that system. If you want to use your personal phone, first you can charge it like the pad, wireless charging right here, and you can actually hook it up with this screen as well. Wireless Apple CarPlay, but Android Auto is with wires. There are some Android Auto solutions, AutoCast. I covered that in my channel as well. So there are some solutions for that. If you want to, again, just go and check my YouTube channel for Android Auto, and you'll find my suggestions how to go about it. Nice center console, and we have few kind of cool things. So this one here is this really nice aluminum cover. I really like it. It looks really good together with the entire vehicle, like with all these chrome elements and everything else. This one stands out as well. And this dial here, that's a drive selector right here, so you can see how This one matches the chrome theme, so to speak. So by the way, if you have a chance, try this power mode. Like, it's not a lot of talked about feature, but oh man, like the car is fast. So that's like a sport mode for a PHEV. Try it, you'll love it. If you're driving the PHEV, try it. You can notice it a lot more on slower speeds, kind of like city driving, or like up to like 90, I would say, right? But try it out, see what you like. It always defaults to normal, however, right? So that's one question I get asked often as well. If I drive Eco, I arrive at my destination, turn off vehicle, turn on, is it gonna stay in Eco? No, always goes back to normal. Weird one, I wish there would be a way how you select which terrain you want to use and just stays there until you change it, but maybe that's coming at some point, but not just now. One pedal drive, innovative pedal drive, and the EV selector. So I mentioned when I was doing the video outside that the car can charge itself, so we can literally select EV mode charge. Kind of can hear and see how the engine kicked in, and now the battery is charging the vehicle. Let's see where the energy flow is hiding. Here, there you go. So now the engine is charging the battery. Now if we press the EV more, so we have normal, so this would be kind of like your hybrid mode. Then we have EV priority mode, so right now it's not available because the battery is too low. Then we have save. We can actually, if we have battery fully charged, we can save it for it makes sense at a later day. Let's say you drive on a highway, your battery's full, you want to save it for city, you can absolutely do that. And of course the charge option as well. So if you're low on battery, for some reason you need to charge it up, you can absolutely do so. This one here, being the GT, has all the features. You know, you have, of course, rain sensing wipers, you have front camera, front sensors, which I use a lot on the daily basis. Of course, 360 cameras there as well. But if you drive and you go a little bit closer, let's approach this NOIR Edition gas Outlander, you can see how cameras there, beepers are there, like you have 360 camera, look very, very well protected when it comes to all kind of technology that helps you to drive a little bit more safe on the roads. So let's have a look real quick at two more things. One is going to be the second row, and then the trunk space with a third row. So the second row looks like this. I like how this orange theme is carried throughout. We do have heated seats in the back. The back part can be adjusted its own temperature, and the seats, just keep in mind that you can adjust the recline however you want. And also this part slides forwards, backwards. You have 60-40 split, you can adjust that. Everybody can find their perfect seating position. Underneath here we have the panoramic sunroof hiding. Maybe let's open that so we can all see together how it looks. And by the way, on GT-P you will have black headliner, so that's part of GT-P as well. So some cars, some trim levels, they'll have this gray headliner, but GT-P you have the black headliner. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. This one here has these shades for privacy and blocking the sunlight, which is good in the summertime. And very, very good looking car. See how this panoramic sunroof looks now. Absolutely stands out a lot. Very, very good feature. A lot of people love it. Trunk real quick. So we have this kick motion system. So we do the kick motion and tailgate opens up. This one I use a ton. I absolutely love it. I think this whole vehicle is just worth because of that one function, especially when you do grocery shoppings or you have your gym bag and your whatever, like protein shake in the other hand, and you just want to open the tailgate, toss some bags in, off you go, right? So excellent way how to open and close the tailgate. This is how the third rows looks very nicely on PHEV, that these headrests are already integrated. It's just, fold them down. You don't have to take them out as you have to in gas version and then store them. So it's already built in the seat. One seat, fold it down, flip it up, do whatever you want. This is how we're looking. So I always fold this down like this. This is my favorite way how to go about things. I clean up this mess in the trunk a little bit for more space, and then I put my bags and whatnot. Nothing slides over. You have nice grocery bag hooks here, and you have these tie hooks right here. Very good utility, and the charger is coming still from the factory. Not a lot of manufacturers do charging cables anymore these days by default. Mitsubishi still does it, but $700 value I think right there. So that's something to keep in mind. Mitsubishi is still providing charging cables with that. So let's close it. and wrap it up. So there we go. We just checked out this beautiful top of the line GT-P, white diamond, black roof, upgraded interior, massage seats, and everything else. Looks very, very cool. Absolutely awesome vehicle. It's gonna get pre-delivery inspected. Look at that. Now the sun is shining and we can see how it reflects this nice pearl color. Very nice color. Thank you so much for checking out this video today, and see you next time around.